Hi, welcome to Bond Bytes, a daily bond market highlights from INR bonds. I'm Arjun Patsarthi. And with JP Morgan coming out and saying that Indian bonds can be included in its emerging market index as early as mid-September this month, there is huge expectations that there will be a lot of global inflows into Indian government bonds. And once inflows come into Indian government bonds, there will be also be a lot of demand for all other bonds, including corporate bonds. And how will investors benefit from in these inflows is that there will be much larger demand for Indian bonds at the global level. A lot of liquidity, that is money, will be in the floating around, and the cost of borrowing for government and the corporates could become cheaper. And SEBI will make sure that all the practices of transactions for corporate bonds will be as smooth for both institutional and retail, which is as good as the government bond GSEC market, which is fully electronic, while corporate bonds transactions and settlement is in fact 90% offline. So hopefully investors will benefit from these new inclusions, especially corporate bond market can really take off if if there are more flows, more visibility, and better electronic infrastructure. Before that, financial advisors are best to come to INR bonds portal to take advantage of the bonds potential issue of potential listing of bonds in the global platforms and find the best bonds available for investments in the market for their clients. And the INR bonds partner portal is made just for that. Log into INR bonds and become a partner.
As a financial advisor, my biggest responsibility is to help my clients make the right investment choices. Now, with INR bonds, buying and investing in bonds for my clients is quick and easy. With my guidance on bonds, my clients are happy and I'm getting new business every day. Register as a financial advisor on inrbonds.com to help your clients invest and save better through bonds.
Back to bond market highlights. Flat GSEC markets, Sensex and Nifty higher and INR is flat, while in the secondary primary market, Ugro is a fintech lender, is issuing bonds in 18 months to 36 months maturity in a range of 10.5 to 11%, while Indiabulls Housing Finance is issuing bonds in a 9 to 9.5% in a 24 to 60 months maturity period. The bonds are available on the BSE, and INR bonds debt IPO platform is available for investors who wants to look at all the information of these bonds and apply to these public debt issues. Download the Quick Invest by INR bonds app now. Check the debt IPOs listed on the app and put in your bids that will reach the BSE. But you will be doing it with the full information that we can provide you of the issuer, and you can take your own investment decisions accordingly. And if you're a financial advisor, it's even better because you can advise your clients with full information and knowledge of the issuer. Thank you very much for listening in, and do not forget to subscribe to your YouTube channel if you've not done so already.
It was a tough journey going from an intern to a senior professional. Now, to protect my savings against high inflation and grow my wealth, I invest in bonds with INR bonds. Download the INR bonds app to save better.